Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. Today is a special day because my baby nephew is being born today and we're on our way to the hospital. Now excuse my mess because you guys already know that it's crazy hectic when you're getting ready. So this is my outfit. I decided to go with a blue dress, very fitting, and I'm obsessed with this dress. It's so cute. Can you guys believe that this is from Old Navy? How cute. And then for my feet, I'm gonna put on my Dr. Scholl's, I think that's how you say it, right? Sneakers, the ones that went viral for TikTok. Yo, they're so comfortable. I'm gonna wear that with my little Coach bag. This one right here. This is such a cute look. I for sure am gonna take pictures with my baby nephew. They're already calling me, so that means that they're here, so I gotta go. Hey guys, I just saw my baby nephew. He is the cutest thing. God bless him, for real. Like, he's so healthy, he's so cute. Oh my god, I'm just so excited. I'm so happy that everything worked out, and now I'm on my way home.
Let's rock, let's rock. Can you rock for me? Oh baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh baby, when you're kissing me. Oh baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock with me? Oh baby, not stopping me, take it to the top of me. I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of.
I know, I look so crazy, but the reason why I look so crazy is because I'm finally getting my first curly haircut, and unfortunately, you have to show up like this. It actually didn't look too bad last night when I first let my hair air dry, but you know, when you go to sleep, things change, and this is how I look. I wanted to look really cute today. I even tried to do my makeup. Case in point, I got my whole setup right here. But I ended up messing up my makeup and I had to take it off. And besides, I stepped outside really quick. It's really hot and muggy, so there's no point of wearing any makeup. So I still wanted to look cute anyways, for, you know, just for myself and of course for my content for you guys. But let me show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing this bodysuit. I think it's from The Gap or Old Navy, I forgot. And then my jeans are from Abercrombie. I'm gonna wear my Aldo sandals. They're just by my my door. I was gonna say by my house. They're at the door. And then I'm gonna rock my Coach bag. I do have to leave like right now. I have to order my Uber because I can't be caught on the train looking like this. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. So I'll see you guys at my appointment.
What's my
Are you Ellie?
It's Mary Jane, I'm analyzing the game.
And the game done chose me.
To bring pain to pretty women and fake thugs, one and the same.
Ever since you told me
There's only room for two, I've been making less room for you.
now only God can hold me.
Hug me, love me, judge me, the only man that hovers above me.
I met so many men and it's like they're all the same. My appetite for loving is now my hunger pain. And when I'm feeling sexy, who's gonna comfort?
Oh my god, it's giving.
Brown, so we connected your faux bang to your sides. That's like your
Dead.
face crazy. And then we added the layering, so we'll see how everything strengthens up. But we're gonna style it down the middle, right? Or do you want to style it as a bang? We'll do it down the middle.
Do it down the middle, yeah.
Like a
I'm
natural
more,
part.
yeah, I'm
Yeah.
more into that. Hey guys, I just got my curly haircut and I love it. It is so cute and it's gonna get bigger and longer. I just have to play around with it, and of course, you know, being that it's fresh hair, it's a bit flat, but it is really, really humid today, so my hair will definitely get bigger and prettier. So I am obsessed. I love the appointment. First of all, Ashley, 10 out of 10, such a lovely girl. I felt how warm and kind she is, and honestly we had a good time. Like, we were chatting, okay, like we were chatting like we knew each other for a really long time, okay? So she was really cool. I really liked her. I really liked her energy, and she was really professional. She made me feel so at peace, okay? And I feel like that's so important when you're getting a haircut. Like, you have to feel good, you know? But yeah, I love my haircut. I think it came out so cute. Right now I'm by the piers, and I've never been to Little Island. I'm right across from it, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me to check out Little Island. So that's where we're going. sweating so bad that I ended up just leaving Little Island, and here I am at the Chelsea Market. I decided to go with Los Tacos. I'm a fan, y'all. And I ordered a quesadilla. Let me show you the quesadilla. Alright, let me point my fan at me. They don't have indoor seating. I also got a agua de Jamaica. Jamaica, is it? Yeah. And this is so good, you guys. I actually make this at home. Taste this. Taste test. I got it with carne asada. It's actually really good. There's a lot of flavor. Hey guys, it's been a few days since you last saw me, and here is an update on my hair. I am loving my haircut. It looks so good, right? I'm just obsessed with the shape that I have. Before, my hair was just long. It just wasn't the same vibe. So this was my first wash since the haircut. I did my hair 5 days ago. So this is how it looks after 1 week. I mean, it looks so good. I'm so happy with my appointment. You guys have no idea how hard it is to like find someone that you can actually trust. Sometimes I feel like curly specialists are not consistent with their work, but no, Ashley, for real, she's always consistent. Like, I love her before and afters. So I just had like that feeling that she definitely was going to be the one that I can trust to do my hair. And you guys know, I don't let just anybody touch my hair. So I'm so picky, and I'm so glad that I trusted the process. I also felt like I needed to get out of like this old school mindset. Like, yeah, I'm not that old. But like back in the day, you used to get a haircut, but you used to do it wet. I mean, that's how I grew up doing my hair. And I would just get like a regular wet cut. I always did a round shape, nothing crazy, sometimes face framing, and then that's it. But this time around, I was like, you know what? You know, dry cuts are in. It gives more shape to curly hair. Maybe I should really try it. Because for so long, I wanted to go to Cabo Curls. But it's so hard to get an appointment with her because she does the type of cuts that I like. She does wet curly haircut, and her before and afters are amazing, but it's so hard to get an appointment with her. Like, I was literally on her website a few months ago when she came to New York. How I went to book, I put in all of my info, my card. I literally hit confirm after confirming all of her requirements, because yo, she had a long list of like policies. I clicked all of them, clicked all of them, clicked all of them. I go to hit book, it didn't refresh over and over. Gone. I couldn't get an appointment. So you know what? It was just meant to be. Like, I was meant to go to Ashley. I think I'm just gonna keep saying it over and over. Like, you guys need to book with her. Like, for real, I'm obsessed. The reason why I haven't been vlogging you guys, because honestly, I've been spending time with my family. It was the 4th of July weekend coming to an end. It's Sunday night. I had a long day of filming. I feel like I always pop on here after a long day of filming. I really like to have a yap session with you guys at the end of the vlog, so like we can like debrief everything. First of all, hold up, let's rewind real quick. So after my appointment, I did go see the, what is it called, the islands? I forgot what it's called, Little Island. I went to Little Island. I did not last there, you guys. I couldn't, it was too humid that day. And so I went to Chelsea Market to cool off. I got those viral tacos, but I didn't get tacos. I got a quesadilla I showed you guys. Yo, so good, okay? I see the hype. Okay, that carne asada, full of flavor. It was so good. Even their juice, the agua de Jamaica, was so good. I actually make it in my house. I'm making one right now. I just have it boiling, which is why I'm sweating. My bangs are covering all the sweat on my forehead right now. And then I got home literally at the perfect time because it was pouring down rain. Like, I knew it was gonna rain because it was just way too hot and humid. Like I said, 4th of July weekend, I was hanging out with my family. My dad has like this little pool in his yard. So I got to hang out there with my niece. I just saw my nephew a few moments ago. He just left like maybe like a half hour ago. He is so cute, you guys. And he's growing. And oh my God, he looks just like my brother. Because every time I see him, his eyes are closed because he sleeps. You know, babies sleep a lot. Oh my God, he looks like my brother. He had his eyes open and everything, and I was like singing to him because his name is Zion, which is like Zion Elenic. Zion, baby! I was just like singing to him and taking pictures of him. And obviously for, you know, privacy reasons and, you know, for their parents and stuff, like I can't really show you guys how he looks right now, but you know, as he gets older, I'll definitely share him here on my channel. And we have like a little joke between all of us, like, oh, this is Zion and we're just missing Lennox saying me. So I'm like, I don't know. I have a haul for you from TJ Maxx, and I don't think you guys are ready for this haul, okay? This haul is so fire. First of all, I never find anything in these type of stores. Like TJ Maxx and Marshalls, it's very rare for me to actually find some good fashion pieces. Sometimes I'll find like accessories, or if I need something for the house, for sure I'll find something. But clothes, y'all not ready for this haul. Because when I tell you that I got some gems in here, get ready. We're gonna start with one of my absolute favorite finds. I got a pair of sandals from BCBG. Wait until you guys see these sandals. Like, first of all, I wasn't looking for these and they just came upon my life, okay? They're so cute. I mean, get into the detail. Y'all see that? You guys see the pearl details? Because the camera wants to focus on me. Let me just hold one up. So you guys see the pearl details, the strap. It fits my white foot so nicely. Because your girl has white feet and they're so comfy. I can't wait to wear them. I'm definitely picturing myself wearing these on my birthday, but such a good find. Y'all not ready? When I say y'all not ready, look how cute. Are you kidding me? Look at this bag. I mean, the seashell details, and she's spacious. She got a lot of room in here. So I could put my camera in here, my phone, all of my accessories, my sunglasses, even my visor, because the visor I rock, you can roll it up. I mean, this is so cute. Are you kidding me? So cute for my little trip coming soon. So make sure you're subscribed. And then you guys, I found these linen shorts and they're 100% linen. Funny thing, as soon as I got home, I literally ripped off the tag. The tag is right here, right here. It was only $13 for 100% linen. That's a steal. And I wore these yesterday. Look, even with this top. Are you kidding me? So cute. I am obsessed, okay? You guys are not ready for this next one, okay? This dress. This dress gives, okay? It just gives. Oh my god. It's a maxi spaghetti strap. I love like the knot details in the front for the boobs, and then the back. The back got me. A little tie here and then the open back. It's so flattering on, and it does have a split here on the skirt. Right here. I really love this dress. And then the last find, okay, is this beautiful white skirt. How cute is this? It's just flowy. It's so pretty. It's 100% cotton. It's just so comfortable for the summer. This with a cropped white tank top that I have, it's gonna look so nice. It's a square neck tank top, and I can picture myself wearing it. I'm so happy with my little haul. But yeah, you guys, that is my little haul, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I just want to take the time out and say thank you for everyone who always watches my videos, gives me a thumbs up and comments. That means so much to me, and it helps me out so much, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. And honestly, you guys, I do this for you. Like, I feel like we're building a community, and I just love when you guys interact with me. And yeah, I'm having so much fun vlogging again. You guys know for so long I was so down on a lot of things, and I don't know, I just feel like my spirit, it has been lifted. I really needed that haircut. I feel like that old energy I was holding on to has been released. I'm feeling more confident in my decision to keep vlogging and to keep doing YouTube and not giving up. So I just want to say thank you again, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.